Hey guys, today I'm back with my horoscope series, and today's nails are for Taurus, so all you Tauruses out there, I hope you enjoy these. So again, like the last video, I searched what colours are related to being a Taurus, and apparently they like pink, so I thought I'll use every single colour of pink I own. So on this, using this May London Zodiac 04, I think it is, I stamped this little Taurus logo with the pattern around it. And then I'm just filling it in with super shit lacquer in Swoon. That had a little bit of pink hollow. And then with different shades of pink, I'm just filling in these patterns to create a sort of crochet effect. Not crochet, patchwork, that's it. And I'm just lightly dragging across with the dotting tool, trying not to dig into the polish too far, otherwise you ruin the stamp underneath. And that's why I don't use a brush, because I always smudged it using a brush. And then on my middle finger, I just painted it with this light pink. And then once that had gone dry, I applied a foil glue to create a tacky base. And once that got clear, I just stamped on that design. And then I just cleaned around my cuticles with a dotting tool, removing the excess polish. And here I'm just fixing what I messed up with some of that base colour. So back with that stamping plate, I just stamped this sort of header looking pattern with a super sheet lacquer Swoon, and then leaving it on the stamper. As you can see, I already started, I forgot to press record, but here I am just filling in those circles. And then like the other design, I'm just filling in the different set parts with colour. And then on my index and pinky finger, I just painted with that same pink as I did for the middle finger. And I applied a foil glue. Then once that got tacky, I stamped them on my index and pinky fingers. And just cleaned up with a dotting tool. And then just filing off the excess at the bottom. And then on my ring finger, I painted with that super chic lacquer polish. And then with a white polish, I'm just stamping this little Taurus ball. Are they balls? Yeah. And because that had been a while, I applied a foil glue just to make it a tacky base. And then I applied a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these Taurus nails. If you like these, you should give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe good. And if you're not a Taurus, then maybe you should go check out my horoscope series, because I probably have painted your sign. Or I will be, because I'm going to be doing this series all year, as you probably already noticed. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!